Hey creators, welcome back to MyDan Computer Trading Channel. In our last episode, we learned how to remove and replace backgrounds with AI. Today, we're going to fix another common problem: low quality or blurry videos. With CapCut's AI video enhancement, you can clean up, sharpen, and brighten your videos with just one click. No expensive software needed. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video so you don't miss the rest of this AI series. First, open CapCut and import the video you want to improve. For this demo, I'll use a low-resolution clip that looks a little blurry and dull. Now, click on your video in the timeline. Then, look for the Enhance option in the toolbar. This is where the AI fix tools live. Next, simply turn on AI Enhancement. CapCut instantly improves the sharpness, lighting, and overall clarity of your video. Watch how the details pop out and the video looks more professional. You can fine-tune the results with sliders for sharpness, brightness, contrast, and color balance. For example, I'll increase sharpness slightly and add a touch of brightness. Here's the difference. On the left is the original blurry video, and on the right is the AI enhanced version. Notice how much clearer and more vibrant it looks. Once you're happy, export your video as usual. I recommend saving in 108p or higher for the best results. Let's recap the process. 1. Import your video. 2. Select Enhance. 3. Turn on AI Enhancement. 4. Adjust sliders. 5. Export. And just like that, your video goes from blurry to professional. This is how you use CapCut's AI video enhancement to make your clips look sharper, brighter, and more professional, even if you recorded with a basic phone or webcam. In our next episode, we'll explore CapCut's AI image tools, which help you create and edit still images for your videos. If this helped you, please like, subscribe, and share. And let me know in the comments, what kind of video would you like to enhance with AI? Thanks for watching. See you next time.